Guys, iman dhunia waterfalls Meghalaya Cherrapunjit. Wow! Let me show you the most beautiful waterfalls and biggest waterfalls in Meghalaya Cherrapunjit. This is Kamrim Waterfalls. Guys, I cannot believe my eyes right now. This is the biggest and very beautiful waterfalls in Meghalaya Cherrapunjit. This is Kamrim Waterfalls. Kamrim Cherrapunjit ase ahi jana tohot. Tetiahe dekha pabi ghorat bohi takile dekha pabi neki. Guys, etu hoise Meghalaya Cherrapunjir sundor bihottom biggest waterfalls aru very beautiful waterfalls. This is Kamrim Waterfalls. Let me show you the biggest waterfalls in Cherrapunjir, Meghalaya. This is Kamrim Waterfalls. Maja! Ahija, ki koi aso ghorat bohi takile enekwa dhara saundarya waterfalls dekha napao. ভ্ৰমণ কৰিলে জ্ঞান হয়, কমিউনিকেশ্যন স্কিল বাঢ়ে, মেণ্টেল হেল্থৰ পৰা ৰিলিফ পাবি, টেনশ্যন ডিপ্ৰেশ্যন নাইকিয়া হ'ব। আহি যা।